Hello everyone, I have one bag of cranberries left and then I am done with cranberries for the holiday season. I really don't know what to do with it. I ran out of cranberry ideas, but I was browsing the internet and I found this recipe for cranberry cookies on Barefoot in the Kitchen's website. I will link this recipe down below and it looks very interesting to me, so I'm gonna give it a try. Actually, it doesn't have that many ingredients. No baking powder, no baking soda. And it's interesting why. I'll show that in a minute. But the ingredients are 3 eggs, 2 cups sugar, 3/4 cup butter softened, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2.5 cups flour, 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. She prefers frozen, but she says cold from the fridge works just as well, and that's what I have. Optional glaze, 2 cups powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. I'm not gonna do the glaze. I just want my cookies as is. And here I have 1 huge block of butter because yes, I grabbed the wrong box at Costco. A little annoying, but I can figure it out. So why is there no baking powder or baking soda? So the first step is beat the eggs with the sugar until slightly thickened and light in color for about 5 to 7 minutes. This mixture should almost double in size. The eggs work as your leavening agent in this recipe, so do not skip this step. This mixture should form a ribbon when you lift the beaters out of the bowl. Yeah, I've never done it like that, but we'll give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try with my KitchenAid. And I'll set the timer for 5 minutes. I did kick the speed up to 4 instead of 2. It's been 5 minutes, and the recipe said when you lift the beaters out, it should form a ribbon. Yeah, that's forming a ribbon. I'm gonna switch the beater to my regular mixer because now we're gonna mix in the butter for 2 minutes. Here is the cookie dough. It tastes like a typical sugar cookie dough. And now I'm supposed to fold in the cranberries. I'm gonna fold in a little at a time because I'm not for sure that I'm gonna use all 12 ounces. The recipe calls for all 12 ounces, but that seems like a lot. Let's see what happens. I did manage to scoop them all in. She then said use a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop or just portion them out 6 to a tray. Yeah, I bought a cookie scoop. Pretty sure this is only 1 tablespoon. I'm using it because gosh darn it, I bought it to make cookies. So yeah, I'm just gonna scoop it out and see what happens. I usually do 6 to a sheet anyway. Maybe the one on the right is a 2 tablespoon because the one on the red is the one I've had forever that I don't like. And as you can see, it is smaller. So maybe I really do have a 2 tablespoon one already. Here we go. Getting ready to put them in the oven. 18 minutes. Or she said until they poof out and golden brown on the edges. It's been 18 minutes. They did poof up. And they definitely, the cranberry juice burns. Interesting. But they look pretty good. Apparently I didn't get enough cranberries in that one. Second batch. Looks pretty good. So the bad thing about my metal scoop is I keep accidentally cutting the cranberries in half. And that's probably why they're leaking. Well, they're also pop when they get hot. So yeah, Ezra, what do you need? I don't know if you'd like cranberry cookies. I'll get you a cat treat instead, okay? Anyway, I think I'm only have enough to make like 2 or 3 more cookies. I keep eating this dough. It is a very good classic base dough. I think I'll use this method again, like whipping the eggs and the sugar together to make it rise because it worked and it tastes so good. Okay, hold on, I'll get you that treat. Ezra did not eat his treat, but the other cats did. Honestly, I don't know if he understands treats. The older cats do. don't really give him cat treats a lot. This is what I've been giving them. So I just don't think Ezra understood. Ezra is one of the foster kittens. You guys, that's it. You each got like 3. That's good enough, okay? Now everyone out of the kitchen, I'm baking. I'm gonna do a quick taste test. I know the cookie dough tasted really good. This is one of the cookies from the first batch. Here, I'm gonna buy the cranberry right there. It's really good, but I'm sorry, the cat's distracting me. It's so light and fluffy. It kind of reminds me of a muffin, like a muffin top. I really like it though. Maybe I should try the sugar glaze. No, it's got enough sugar in it. I love that contrast to the cranberries, but I will say you have to like cranberries. You know, I made that recipe about the sugared cranberries, so it's like a Sour Patch, and it was trending on TikTok this year. And so like the first couple days everyone made the videos, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. And the next couple days everyone made the videos like, why is everyone saying this is the best thing ever? I tried it and it's disgusting. The thing is, you gotta like cranberries. Cranberries are sour. You gotta like cranberries. I love cranberries. This is really good. I said sour, I meant tart. Cranberries are tart. When you make cranberry sauce, you have to add a bunch of sugar. Just add 2 cups of sugar on it. I would make them again. I would. I really would make them again.